Why do I have carpet? Alright. The clutch broke. See that? See that? The clutch broke. Bruh. Shit. Come on. Where did it go? Jeez. I feel like this plastic holds it in place, but gosh, okay, so I gotta make my own C-clip that can cover the that can, you know, big enough that I can push on the broken the clip thing. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, figured it out. I got myself a hot glue gun, some tape, and a pair of scissors. Skizzers. What we're gonna do is make a smooth surface for this. Gosh, come on. Make a smooth surface for it to keep it down. This should work just fine. Got my tape here. Just like that. Got my tape. Let's cut a strip like that. Cut a smaller strip. Okay. Now what we're gonna do, make a cross and just snip the excess, just like that. Okay, so we're gonna, oh my gosh, did I just, no, whatever, fuck it. We're gonna make a smooth tape surface to keep it down. And the hot glue is just to make sure it stays permanently down. Okay, you go in here. Go right on top. Piece of plastic just to help push it down. Whoop. Make sure it's centered. Just like that. That's not centered at all. Lightly put it on. I don't want to put too much pressure. There we go. There you go. How well will this work? Oh my gosh, I'm pretty happy it's working. Perfect. Okay. Did that affect the wild flutter? Let's see. Nice. Okay, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. It slowed it down just a little. I'm just gonna move it up to what feels right. Actually, okay. It changes speed when you move it around anyway, so that's really good. Oh my gosh, I am fixing an iPhone later. Fuck, someone just texted me. Damn it. Man, I'm really happy with that. Oh my gosh. Should I continue fixing these cassette players? I don't know. Is it really that easy? Why am I talking to myself? The hot glue gun is not hot yet. That took about an hour. Just over an hour. But what I'm gonna do is, you know, glue the corner of the tape down, put everything back together, and give you guys an audio sample, yeah. So if you liked the video, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Give that video a like. Share if you like. Yeah, if you want to try to attempt this on your own, good luck. But yeah, thanks for watching.